familiar para todas las edades. Contiene escenas de sexo y violencia. Debe ser visto en compañía de adultos. Caracol nos mueve la vida.
The name of our rocket is Falcon Heavy. Objective. The objective of this project is to demonstrate the free fall and the parabolic moment made by the rocket. In addition, we want to demonstrate Newton's third law, better known as the principle of action and reaction, which can be seen reflected at the moment when the water is launched. It was by a propulsive gas, normally compressed air, which propels the rocket.
Chains on the Falcon Heavy. Three chains we made in the Falcon Heavy was to guide it and tighter but for better performance, and in fact we also reinforced the wings with acetato and duct tape. Instead putting instead put instead putting duct tape all over the rocket to exactly with the wings, we put duct tape to stick better and was tighter. In fact, on the mods noticeable change what change one time we cut the tip to have better impact when failing and to break. Theory better and finally we did not put the acetated bats so in controlling better and had and better performance when flying.
Materials. The materials we used were cardboard for the wings, clear acetate for the tip, American tape, insulating tape, 1.5-liter bottle for the rocket.
We learned once we learned by smiling toward Newton, third law, or action reactions, perceived as I stand with the participant interacts. Then first, participant interacts first. The first on one participant is equal and opposite to the first interact on the other participant. That is, interact external force. That force will be current by equal force, but in the opposite directions.